weather situations. Specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Noon. When there is a threat of severe weather in the area, the test is postponed until the
I never expected that, dude.
Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone.
See, they're late for this thing, dude. Come on.
This variability, normally more noticeable.
I'm so sorry that I am. Oh my god.
Will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm will be activated for severe thunderstorms.
I'm sorry, I could not upload that to TikTok because I was not having it. I need to have. I had to have an alert on my 996 going off because I had to record it. Hey, well, caught it. I mean, I caught it. You all can see it now. Finally, 996 can go off.
The current time is 12:02.
Jeez. So, I upgrade when my tests happen to being every other week because it's starting to, it really gets on my nerves having to record every Wednesday for a test. So I'm gonna record it every other week, and hopefully that will work out because hey, I found out how to fix my 519.
37 degrees. The relative humidity was 32%. The wind was southeast at 12 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.25 inches and steady.
Okay.
At Anniston, it was sunny. The temperature was 66 degrees with a dew point of 33 degrees. The relative humidity was 29%. The wind was east at 13 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.30 inches and steady. At the Shelby County Airport, it was sunny. The temperature was 16 degrees with a dew point of 36 degrees. The relative humidity was 30%.
Which one is it?
The wind was southeast at 14 miles an hour, gusting to 22. The pressure was 30.
This thing doesn't go off.
And now, here are some other observations from around the region. It was sunny with a temperature of 68 at Pell City and 66 at Gadsden. It was mostly sunny with a temperature of 64 at Atlanta, Georgia, and 69 at Jackson, Mississippi.
This?
At Nashville, Tennessee, it was partly sunny with a temperature of 66.
Oh my god. Well, yeah, 519 goes off as well. Okay.
Here is the hazardous weather outlook for the county served by the National Weather Service Office.
Shut up. There. We fixed that. So, yeah. My 996 goes off in here. So does my 519. Finally got it to work. After months. Now I can be in here. It goes off in here. So, we're going to be... And also, I want to update you guys. We have 2 more weather areas coming. Yeah. I feel like all I do now is unboxing videos. Because in those 2... are not ones you would expect me to be next. The Recom R1630A and the Radio Shack 12-260. Yeah. 2 weather areas you would not expect to be on the way, but they are. And I'm actually excited for them. I wonder if the Recom one will work in here. I think the 12-260 will at least work in here. Be a shame if it doesn't. So far, every Radio Shack weather area just works in here, except for Recom weather. Well, we don't have all the Recom weather areas, so the reception, the way it recepts signal, could be different on the A, because it's an early pro type version, so could possibly work in here. And I heard the antennas on those things are fragile, so I'm gonna have to be careful with the Recon or 1630A. Cause somebody messed it up, and he wasn't able to put the antenna down all the way anymore. But hey, the test was worth it. I guess I'll see you guys on my 2 unboxing videos, which will not be too soon, I do not think, because the Recon R1630A is being shipped from Tennessee and I'm in Alabama, so yeah. That's all for now. See y'all later. Peace.